O-lo-dee, o-lo-dee, o-lo-dee. O-lo-dee, o-lo-dee, o-lo-dee. Dee-o-da-day, o-da-day, o-da-day, o-da-day-dee. Oh, say, have you heard the yodeling bird singing dee-o-lo-hey-o, dee-o-da-day-dee? I can't wait until he's on my windowsill singing dee-o-lo-hey-o, dee-o-da-day-dee. Now he's a Yankee Doodle bird, but still I understand that someone in his family tree came from Switzerland. I'm glad that I heard the yodeling bird singing dee-o-lo-hey-o, dee-o-da-day-dee. O-da-day, prit-doo, prit-doo, prit-doo. O-da-day, prit-doo, prit-doo, prit-doo. O-da-day, prit-doo, prit-doo, prit-doo. O-da-day, prit-doo, prit-doo, The yodeling bird, he don't say a word, just goes dee-o-lo-hey-o, dee-o-da-day-dee. Each day he returned, and that's the way I learned to go dee-o-lo-hey-o, dee-o-da-day-dee. Now some birds whistle all day long and some birds like to sing, but Yodelbird just yodels and he yodels with the swing. If you're feeling blue, he'll cheer you up too with his yodel-day-o-da-day-dee.